It's got two problems with it. The way that works is that you put oil in the pot, in the hole, goes through the bearing once, and then it falls on the floor. And so what we've got is a problem and that's all over the place. Another wheel that would be fixed to a system shaft.
Yeah.
And that shaft would be your power. This was part of a steam central heating system in the House of Parliament. Now they used to have a big old steam boiler and that would feed it directly into the radiators and the steam would go around all of the radiators and by the last radiator that steam turned into water. The water would then be fed into down the bottom there. The pumps would go pump, pump, pump. Pump up this pipe here, and this originally would go back to the steam boiler. Steam boiler would make more steam, and the whole system would start all over again. And that was in place up until the 1990s, so it was quite a reliable system. Sorry. We found in the records that originally this used to pump the condensate water from electricity back to boilers that were in the boiler. Well, of course, they stripped the boilers out in the 1950s, and so when we dug this out of concrete, it was out of work. No boilers would pump it. And so we thought we'd rig it up with a float in the bucket and some teapots. We thought it would put it back to work. Usually things are very now, this would originally have a belt on there and you find a shove gearbox as forward or reverse depending on which way you want it to go. And the southern plane will go back to the border. Of course, that was they found.
But you're definitely, everything that you were saying before about the access and being able to take things out, so really you're getting with access to the engine to take out something.
We were trying to figure out because they were upgrading something at a waterside recently.
Charles going to model the DA first before.
See that? Puffing in there. And this allows the steam to go in there. Piston in it, and the piston is working and pump. Then you can
Is that steam pump?
that's compressed air. Yeah.
Would that have been steam?
And that goes around the shaft. And that's intended to the heat with the steam.